What's that?
Gruza is not Butija. Gruza say, I like the Gruza say, investors now they should back out. He is not ready to sell Kimfisa. Kimfisa is not for sale. Also, on all Bob Yakoko, on your not say about talking face and the Aton Ochina, until Mohano Bufaman on any Ghana in Eastern Africa, any other more Basse on Jack Kimfisa Mumano, or no, on your not say. Or talking face and then Ochina. It's Mamuda Watara Ankoro from Claudine Oba, the Rubis and so on. Alaji Guza, now, according to Alaji Karim Guzano, or see on the players and good day, or show
Good day radio.
Hello, Luciaoka. It's a modern says, more 10 cities or more 10 cities. Somebody must say, more 20 cities or more 20
Oh, that's and the no come one. And then one no because to me mom more than the then yes more baby.
Wow. Benedicta so Abaso every for Watini Abayua.
Alaji Ali so
also Abaswa or Abajo for China or Ocean the China town or Godi Benedicta China town or and Omorita situation. Omorita situation ever go day regions and Kumofi, Papi Quatayoso, Papi Abuase, that's me him.
Our China wa
China
on China wa nye Wuhanize na city baby jama for say baby aye Wuhan is yet
but I think on one on Shanghai or baby na on ocean the America say quarantine on Wakadema or you be online ocean and by Bona epi and famano na bibian to encosu ye and famana and kuma to go quickly I like Karim Gruza or also Abaso also the name of Ababutika on when you're ready. So talking face and there no aton or China make and find that out. Wouldn't say Gemma Bundesliga and so Yadia Paso and Nasim Kumakra and the day Menokasi. Yeah, Gemma Bundesliga Paso and there Menokase and Asem Kumakra no I tinye papa Gemma Bundesliga Paso then the Yamiadma first week of June EPL also Ebeshasia and Yasem Kumakino good Kakano coronavirus on the European to Guanisa but still an afternoon it was a Paso 3:30 and match is meaning a Basono first match is a Basono 3:30 no Osborg Woodburg and Asia and Yasem Kuma Borussia Dortmund Shaka 04 this is a cracker. This is a cracker.
Good day, radio.
Shaka 04 the Borussia Dortmund and Ribunia and Yasem Kumakra 14 this of Omni SC Paramount 07 as soon as Hoffenheim Hertha Berlin and Asia and Leipzig Omni Freiburg and Asia until Frankfurt the Borussia Mönchengladbach Fonso and Asia and Yasem Kumagude Mississippi Augsburg Omni Wolfsburg and Asia Borussia Dortmund and Shaka 04 3:30 match in Ebaso and 14 this for Omni SC Paramount 07 and Asia and Hoffenheim Hector BSC and so Asia I'm gonna list Omni Freiburg and Asia until Frankfurt Otega Chrome Frankfurt for Omni Borussia Mönchengladbach for and also Asia Wawa and Asem Kuman say and table in ACT FC by Munchen or more and Edikaya almost 55 points Borussia Dortmund Etosum or more 51 point difference 4 points between FC by Munchen Borussia Dortmund and Asem Kumakra Leipzig for Omni Etosum Miensa or more 50 points Borussia Mönchengladbach for Etosu Edain almost 49 points. Samson Bayer Leverkusen Etosu Enum almost 47 points. Shaka 04 Etosu Ensia almost 37 points. And Wolfsburg for Etosu Enson almost 36 points. Ragbeck for Etosu Enwatri almost 36 points. Hoffenheim almost Etosu Enkron almost 35 points. FC Cologne almost Edu almost 32 points. And FC Union Berlin for Etosu Edu back 11 position almost 30 points. Frankfurt Otega Antra Frankfurt almost the 12th position Godi almost 28 points. And Kumakra and Hertha Berlin for also almost also 13 or more 28 points. Osborg for also do 14 position almost 27 points. Sansuna minus 05 for also Edunum almost 26 points. And Düsseldorf for almost also Edunsia almost 22 points. And whether Bremen Itrea Bremen almost also Edunson almost 18 points. And SC Parabon 07 almost Itato almost also do 18 position almost Omo 16 points are any Simukuma Good. It's so far so good. And then they say that success in the city. It's and then Nipa ye proof Frank Ordende and former Ashanti Gold Aya to do match yet. Cape Coast Adike Adipande. It was not for goalkeeper or no, and then the year proof and the radio Nafi. You have to know Nibusan and Sam Baku meaning Sabina say or the same ever to just a coach Nanaba and I say Yamiba Utia Canteen or no, and to me. Lifting a year pa Emma Otimba limelighter and the Yebo Ghana legend Ghana footballers a year Frank Ordendand on solo you to me a body D Eddie Ekasem Ewojumedi and so and Yasim Kumakra. But then quickly no sir Sabeka a year Ordendre and I say Frank Ando Ojumedi and so Yan Fanan Tusu and I say Watara Mamuda a movie I began piano Yan Form to Ejumedi and so now Afe Yemba by Omo Anu Unsemba Kumbi I have time Jumedi radio. Would you modern Ghana? Ubenya Gode radio search for Gode radio modern Ghana. Who type modern Ghana? Ubenya Gode radio which may be live. So answer now about Facebook because I used to me live over Facebook. So answer I used to me live over YouTube. Used to me live over Twitter, Instagram. Maybe the handles in the video.
Okay. Mensaka Frank Ando line Suntino. What an Ando, good morning.
Good morning, sir.
Nampo mo say?
Namya dum
okay. Yeah, Yakupo adum yeso ogusu shira ye.
Goli ba ko pe. Goli ba ko pe.
Me fa ma no. Dimonko.
Goli ba ko pe.
Good day radio.
So many years. So many years, young Wakaba, everybody would radio say, and then so what you play say, we never teach him come on. Already I say, one breath, Fatcher, you never yosa. It's for a year goalkeeper, Frank Ando, former Ashanti Gold goalkeeper, former Judy Martiget, former Adi Pande, Cape Coast Mysterious, a Bushoda on goalkeeper, and I know what you made the Goli, so far so good, coronavirus, COVID-19, and situation it is saying, Cape Coast, or passing situation it is saying.
Situation there is nothing good about it, your brother. Very bad. See, I'm your boss.
Wow.
But things are keeping increasing here. This is not boss. I see Kwana Kosoro. Tiana is so boy Hobaina. What you free? Say, I remember you are in free. We are so my only Yamin Kwana bit me. I am my. Ya untumi mpie nko baby ya wo hwefie saa training ground ntimi nya bi.
Wow.
Ya ma ja wan hwe o diet ye ya na ya ginsem.
Ya semo na ya ginsem. Ya baba
there's no good news about it.
Let us say how you go to radio halftime you any goalkeeper Frank Ordendri under the legend and you need recently go to Frank Ando Yababa was how you started your football career and it's on your man team is a one ball no more inspire or more. But now saying last week yeah sorry what they I said never trigger say a coach Onyamiba coach Francis Otia Kante or no and I left you bar like that. I think who can be sir.
Oh, okay. That's it. When it comes to my career, or Ghana Premier League anymore, and there is nothing made me I say without Coach Otia Kante, because he gave me the platform to play. I was very young when I got promoted to the senior team. That was 2003, and I was a coach won more because of Santi me man opportunity. 2002 they promoted me, but at that time then coach na no hono who said bisa nti no omo de me alone eko takrade bafana and I hona me konya call up national under 17. So the following year no and then omo possessing bibia ema me promotion near possible. And that time na Otia Kante so na e wo hono mo enti Otia Kante na ma me opportunity no e ma me the ball Premier League no e ma me hojiji Ghana League ni mo. Yeah, so when it comes to the Ghana Premier League in there I owe it to Coach Otia Kante. He made me.
Wow, very interesting. I quite remember in 2002-2003 Ashanti Gold then Goldfish Omani Alaji Karim Cruiser King Fraser first match not Omashi Ashanti Gold about 4 or 5 Baba Yara Sports Stadium Omar return encounter Lake Sports Stadium. I believe that you are the one now Uda posting I was there myself to witness it. Now King Fraser the like of Eric Gawu Yahuza and it big those team now King Fraser Eljon Munasupa. You are the first person they call you after the better posting. Quickly, Rebecca said Francando, who is Francando at all? So with my background, you prove a kaka, and if I will start here, if I Francando start his school, if I will family or I mean a little bit tell us a little bit about yourself.
Hello?
Yeah.
Hello?
But what do you mean?
Yeah, so that was that was 2002-2003 season. My first year.
You remember starting in 2002-2003 league season. You remember me myself, I was there. Me and another comment, I was there. But we say, why are you Francando? Oh, yeah, why? To go to my background, maybe I was starting school, maybe I would try your boss, Gania, or pair, we know, any those kind of stuff. To go to my brief kaka about goalkeeper Francando.
Okay, Francando, yeah.
Frank, me pacho jina yi kakra mai why? Jina yi kakra mai na am se Ghana e bia wa kwhye asase ase a kani yi mai na o de tututu amana bebre e oboase ho.
Yeah, we oboase me parents Mr. Ando Jacob Frederick Ando, former headmaster Anglican school na me mama so ye Agnes Force no trader. Yeah, we oboase na me started elementary school our Anglicans, and then me bought costume our oboase costume and started some Jonah babies and no mo inter schools mo no befa me na mo register no course. That time in nim say football cry hobby profession or just so when they came to our house some person omo register na me ntiase nti na me dwane so omo for so ya no beche me de me call then sports council call register me nti when it come to my youth side so I think it's Wazoo and Shagaga omo na man who say there's something I will call it say yeah a profession yeah football. Well, me nam say bibia I did agro nti you fear me boy ho anu nam na ball ni ade na me din disable me idea bia be me profession nti Shagaga and Wazoo me bi omo bia nyame hira omo na man be hu say some more talent bia tisa
Godday Radio.
Yeah, and then from there no your fam and you select him Ayas Academy then Goldfish Academy now. It was collaboration with Ajax Amsterdam. Omumi na ye academy no. Yeah, time no. So in your opportunity the boss academy no. And academy no so me spend 3 years for home money e promote me ba senior team dem. Me di benya platform no Ghana League no.
Godday Radio.
When I go to the academy no so no, there are coaches I mean to me enjoy the likes of coach Ivan Sadote, Sifrondi, the technical director Sifrondi. He was a white coach for whom talent move to the extent that sometimes I'm born 9. Sometimes I'm born 9.
Wow. No, born 9. I don't have you who turn into goalkeeping. Striker.
No. Bruno, me second the name of ball. But I think my senior brothers are more no me goalkeepers. Until who goalkeeping equipment in your face and I boy. Sometimes we find the choir of now phone, but me name almost me yard there. So the man me car goalkeeping nimo kesi say near Kobo schooling. Na ye goalkeeper yare. And he do one number selection. No say went to me amba. One of my mates knew Eka say, oh, say, Ando bit me at the Nebra goalkeeper. And I'm saying, oh, Namibra goalkeeper, I mean, I'm a goalkeeper, and that. And then they forced me to keep. Yeah,
are you interested? Are you interested? Show your mommy. Are you interested? Who colleague? I don't know how to goalkeeper. Yeah.
One of my classmates, your friend Isaiah Frimpong. Oh no, catch your sports master. He said, and on a bright goalkeeper and you obey to me other. And honestly, I'm in about the same position. It is a bass and the main quadrant by force now, me call them. Then I want to bet that home on no cobon. Maybe that and you know, and the man may necessary the call goalkeeping no. But I'm interested that at that time, I'm started saying that go. No, during the.
Hello, Frank.
Me modern me ball school game in the they selected me for interdistrict. You know, into a mode let us buy your school to say. No, na me didn't come. Na me didn't players I selected you from Methodist school team minimum. Me nipa 3. SF and Imano Question. Yamin Fanik.
Wow.
Frank, me pacho, what you think?
Almost selected na you call camp or Boise Secretary. Yeah.
Me pacho,
me tell you
pacho, position who you kakra say, we yan be pobi so agina kakra ma ya, ke be de pa. Okay, see you.
Interesting. I go the radio half time with goalkeeper Frank Ando.
Na me ka say e ba sa no no during that school games na yeah ma me koda goal no. After school games ni na nyoma so koye as a goalkeeper nyoma koye and the nyame be say yeah bobo na bon say go share the ma both side na about draw. So when it come to penalties na direction na me kona hona bon fa na match no. Sa after everything you need the second Anglican for share final no mo share 2-1 you need the second. So after everything no let us buy schools say I'm selected players.
Good day radio.
Now schools any Methodist in the players are selected from 18 minimum me count my data you be camp or Boise Secretary. Nyamiri nukrani na me naive kakra because me say me bo nti ya selecting dia me kobo ti me call camp there was nothing like goalkeeping equipment at medical camp because me kobo nti that time no na Mr. Mambo, former
Ashanti good for one deputy coach, Sir Mambo.
Yeah. On any park we see Fabian. On any park we see Fabian. Now Ediana Stars.
Former Ashanti coach, former Accra coach. Yeah, Piquet.
Yeah. Omuna no Mukitaye, Obuasi district team, you know. So when we go to camp, no, almost starting to say defenders here, midfielders here, attackers here. Amuka attackers here na me call. And a man was hey, where are you going? Ando. And I'm saying yes, please. From Methodist school, me say yes, please. But we selected you as a goalkeeper. Where are you going? No, be the goalkeeper. I wanna not be me vimini article because me goalkeeper so much on and compete. Because now I'm out for so Boise and I'm out for a show. Na amama is slow kakra but nyame no nukrani mit tini me mind say na me dia beduro until me concentrating on it has come to reality and then sisi ana me goalkeeper nyame adom me dia bo national teams national under 17 under 23 and then national under 20 nyame adom ma fa no aso dia bonti say idea me die bufuka say me bo na ma select me as a goalkeeper team I will leave the camp and keep be and come and do some pensu we are making.
Nice.
So they say sometimes patients who wait here you can go to where you want to say before the before you dey buy like before you na say me go to bia mbabo mo sim better go there ukoye obi ni me kana je pon dey bi denka asam ayeden efa wase High Good Day Radio, Frank Ando, a legend, Ashanti Gold, former Ashanti Gold, former Cape Coast Mysterious Ebusion, that's Adike Adipande, goalkeeper, and then Wolf Iswa. With your only one, Charles Abeko here for the Kankomi Gapua. Ando, boy, Academy, come off, boy, situation is seen it here, and then you promote to the Bassinia.
Academy no invite a lot of coast teams. A bit from Tema, a bit from Accra, and that time no Obuasi. Na coast teams near Obuasi so mo kan yin na ye bom select team from Obuasi say omo represent Obuasi coast. Nti omo de me kan ho ana ye the boss tournament no and ye ball tournament ni we nyame adom omo select 11 players. So 11 players no mo select me din kan ho. Na me meet back Obuasi friend Nahim Shaibu. Omuji position bia baako nti omo select best 11 of the tournament nti Nahim Shaibu na ye born in Sambrani of the whole Boise goalkeeper and
Obuasi Nahim I former Ashanti goal goalkeeper Nahim
omo select as number 1 of the tournament na omuyi omo makaka enkosi 11 so yes I no omo say let's for ono mo a omo be frɛ no ne omo mbesa hwe bio. So a honor me didn't go for into so some friend some other time kushia then train no OSC and I feel the finalists nearby yam ya man I mean didn't ye na kushia more academy house or down
OSC
Goday Radio.
Yeah,
I always know what mom flow was na mo me na mo je always know your walk sports club o was your so the always sports club only go dia your football squash your football you be dia wo goalie to
that's it Jojo
goalie me bo tremo
nyame pe me di be kan finalist no na fi omo my data e di be resume come that was 2000 somewhere February 2000 and they enter camp. The enter camp no a few faces. There's a yes tournament no kuku down for aba. So goalkeepers na ye me Nahim pe and Nahim so no your was no say onim panyimfo no na ebo. So now me the kind of respect I made man Nahim na e was so now he was the first choice goalkeeper and so to the coach then Steve Rondi. Nahim was his first choice, Nana me and his second choice. But now Abrofono sometimes more ya debut on more PR opportunity no. Emma feel insecure because you train now na platform na the players ni and no abine work them me and go to train say you go best train dabi. The very good best train na players na UCA shootings. More of shooting in a 1v1 situation, crossing and finishing. I don't know who more now say yes, who you keeping this side. After that, there's a small sided game without goalkeeper. Mama is now a bobby say now your footwork in here, okay. Your footwork, everything was okay. It's now my channel. A man may catch up to Nahim, then we all became equal. But he was still the first choice of the coach. And you know, when it got to a time, so I'll say promote players the senior team, you know, promote Nahim Jame, second side of Ashwood. Now I still remain at the coach side, the under 17. So Nahim went to the under 20 side, then I was still under 17. And I want to maybe first choice or under 17. No, you know, the goalkeeper for that is William Scudio, popularly known as Tinto Lee.
Tinto Lee. Wow.
Just yeah, so yes, I don't know if you are getting there. So maybe concentrating more because when you go in the academy house, everything is about football. Everything is about football. Yeah. Say after training, not saying.
Hello? Oh. Hello?
Goli also.
I'm saying, yeah, Kati. Yeah, ko. Line at Renchem.
I good day radio. Halftime Jimmy Diano, the legend, a goalkeeper Francando, or boy and come out from the youthful age, start maybe or start here as a player. And the colleague Balkan, the Union goalkeeper in Tibuchi and Aguno, and some come on and goalkeeper Francando, Boya, our man at Chicoente, Francando, Odura Academy, or Trey. I was only the first choice goalkeeper at the Ayas Academy, then Go Face Academy. And the 7th first goalkeeper, the Kofatin Toli, Beckham. Ni deputy goalkeeper or when come on to and yet also quickly we are now fine run senior side one benefit promote you much better academy boy a young feponity on pan and say Udaya uncle young farmer now for you shift here for premier side.
Yeah, academy there. I hear Rebecca said they make enemy control because we were unbeaten during our year and we were unbeaten. And I think that talking of the under 17 side, we were unbeaten. Your West, now West, your draw, and other clubs they find it very difficult to score us. And to say, yeah, or move defend here now, and me and Netty or more, now about draw. Now I do you consider BDA, but we will say no fault near the Abema town. And also after every game, after the field, the game is closed. It is only the coach who has the right to talk. Obian to me Bremen mates. Intiana, who say Yamo Biaye, Obi spirit a conform so a mistake in spirit a conform. Intia, sir, when a mammy nya clue be say, me bomachi bia, a hammy, daddy, me a hodie, into under 20 side, Imbra, monsieur promoting me under 20 side, no, or what dear boy second division. My boy, I may qualify ye, echo middle league. And Yoko League about first division. So I honor your last game now. Your board draw rank you are qualifying. And no KFC. One club no more Kumasi from KFC. Almost 3-0. And it was something on there when it comes to the under 20 side. The America said that's the game up to now. So Mikaya now my worry. Me na me das how much
Wow. Now, attention on academy side and the premier side, but promotion and open a course, one contact you, then a course, then amount of promotion about the senior side. Now, teams being after senior side, loan being a call here, teams being a boy before I was answered back to the Ashanti Gold Sporting Club.
Yeah, okay. 2002, promotion. I'm promoting Edmond Atal as Naim Shaibu and myself. So, when the light of Abubakar Kankeli and Robinson, no. So, no, I have 5 years also. So I'm a malo. I'm a category now. Me yet third. Because Atta was ahead of Naim was ahead of me, and then so I'm going to my alone. I was takrade. Nothing you from Bafana. I'm saying, yeah, no, so I team no come match, and now I'm accident in time. I'm goalkeepers no kind. Now for me here positions be. I'm going to let about Boasi, and I brought phone man me call home. And me call you no, yeah, preparation for the league. That time I've been to the 5-year development plan there, but that was the second year of the late Ben Kofi's development.
Yeah, 5-year development plan. Yeah, I'm going to say the challenge. I support the Ghana Football Association. I quite remember. Yeah.
Yeah, second batch. So they were selecting for Western Regional under 17 team. I'm representing Western Region World National Accra. And you almost selective way and no mama team the Bafana and you ball friendly match. And then once Ayas Academy goalkeeper who will you play as a libero.
As a libero, yeah. Who control who touch ball, you got to check part. Yeah.
Yeah, a quiet part of me because I know I had to feeding me for the past 3 years into a quiet part of me. What team I was still playing like that. Sometimes not which is near to sure, but at the end of the day now I got a good results. Until Western selected side neighbor. Sports Council coach now no yes selection new. Who's adding no or the chemical cancer or team. But no, Moses, when you're with me, So selection is no also far position be abako. Into be 11 players when I would be go. Into offer me account or so drop omugo keeper no or no as a Western Regional goalkeeper no mafanda dadan. Into be debate say no me nya honey if baby na ba nti omo family so hono man ti ho asem bio the man can say you will see what he can do because me a Ghanaian and who say my talent is more ahead of the one now more selecting no. Into no right say me to make a team no. By the debate they pray into man ti ho hwe bio. But yes, 2 weeks time, no more break here from Takwa and me back to Obuas. The Ebasa now who break will be our now so call report to Academy House also. They call a house master or call report to me, which technical director that is front. They call now under 12, under 13 for under 14 for a cast group, no more top 4. Or maybe so.
Under 14.
Satamina me call we now Akasumu under 17.
Yeah, he's talking about Wakas Mubarak. Currently, Ghana Blaster will make it Wakas Mubarak.
Yeah. Now say back for no more under 14. Or say back for glass now Waku no more no more under 14. So when it happens that way, no. Could you tell me no say I will there were no see your break here. And Yamina made me pay free on mobile or my break into Namaba. No, you are supposed to be at the national team camp. You have been invited. You do a graphic in what I say. Now I am now because man tap at the for issue man to us and be able to say I'm break here 2 weeks time at the bar.
Wow. Goalkeeper Francando Anafi or boy the Jenny Konofaswa obey the number 1 goalkeeper or Michael Ganemu or the Dago National 17, National 20, National 23. I was signed at the market course Michelle exhibition drafts. You have only days with Tudu Madrid yet and the Ashanti gold matcher or boy has good place on a boy pa Navi Yes and Emre and Bripemo we Patuba and Wapandi Patuba. Quickly, after national team no qualify, Montreal qualify. I can't remember say national 17 Montreal qualify. You are imposed when Shabu Yakubu ever Boatele Clay Sports Stadium. I was there myself. Send another situation this year.
I'm say answer now because I'm say Saka Watara and so line so Gabua.
Watara Mamuda Watara and Tenka. Okay.
All right, Mate.
Watara Ankoro. Goli Watara Ankoro from Claudine, one also line so with you and Nasim Kuma also making it deeper.
Wow. Enkoro Vichia will be yeah. Okay, just say I think that under 17 game, you know, it gave us broken heart.
Yeah, I was there myself. I couldn't get the whole day. I was watching the Clay Sports Stadium. I said, "Moko Lucia, Moko Bodo, Kenya. Mobile Shabu Yakubu more form, Pamos more form." He has a 1 goal, I said 2 goals. Bibi, I was at the Clay Sports Stadium. I can't remember. You were imposed.
Yeah, you call 2-0. You call 2-0 Kenya. That game, I think Cote Blanchard was imposed, and then the rest of the players paraded, and then we lost 2-0. So when we came back to Ghana, and almost saw Monsa, and my best started our game, before I ever go Kenya, no, me a ko Burkina, a Koshe Burkina 4-1, and yeah, so we go Kenya now. Salus Nibano, a bar back to Ghana, no, that Burkina game, the minute I die, but a bar back to Ghana, and almost have you see me back. So, ball game, no, nice. Yeah, early goals, because that was what the coaches put in our head. Say, yeah, take 2 goals in the first half. And first half, we created a lot of chances in your penalty crowd. My say, only I didn't say, no, I'm saying, I would be a Musa.
Wow. It was fun. It was packed. I was in Clay Sports Stadium. I was there myself. But that day is something which I don't want to remember. Yeah. It was very sad. sad.
Shabu came in as a substitute. Shabu came in as a substitute. Shabu was Prince Tego. So when Shaibu came in, everything changed totally.
Good day, radio.
It was on pace. So the Kenyans
were
finding it difficult to mark him. Yeah. And at the end of the day, I'm better Kano. That minute, I'm saying in your corner, the whole team coy now coming corner center line honorable. So I'm 2 corner break it up. So I'm the buyer, so I'm mobile number BT. One of the defense now, or late ball in my be no or bottom. And I feel red ball in the crown, fan to center crown, ref in the poor game. No,
good day, radio.
I think so.
Quickly, that was you better have your program with you, and I know Comodiano, part 2 because then Sim Kumakra. Now, Yambre Ashanti go Takra, and Uko Ashanti go the promotion first match. Keepers Ben Okotomo, players maybe now Okotomo, Ashanti go Sporting Club, and then go face.
Okay, promoting me, goalkeepers are not many or more. Abubakar Kankeni, Isaac Amuakon, Edmond Atala, and myself. We were 4. We were 4. And then we got 2 players like Eric Boache, Yausu, Kenneth Abebio, Anthony Bafo, Kofi Amuakon, James Boatin, Stephen Amon, Ufusu Amoa, Dauda Sedu, Asarbuatin, Owusu Ajimai. Yeah. Asarbuatin, Owusu Ajimai, George Ranio, Nisu Jikosi.
Wow, the list can go on and go on and go on. But so bad now, Mamuda Watara, King Fisher, so the Panorbe, a game against King Fisher, our first game.
Oh yeah. I think that game, the first round.
First round. Some common situation, no more training camp. That week need another situation to say now. I will say, "Uno better for match na."
No, that game no dey. Na minimum say na better match no because preparation no. Ya call Kumasi na me met bench. Senior Kankeni in that match no. That was the first leg. So second round no. Yeah, ball leg no. This a match no so no.
Watch this play.
It took in place at Mamuda Watara from Claudine all over from London or so.
Omu here revenge.
Yeah. Mikai said then Paona Erikau could do Pokumahala. Omu Chi, Kufia Mako, that is a Japiki Dibino.
Right, I'm saying this is Watara line, no, Atiako. Antino Gapo, to Asoma and Afa, met me Afa, very Lana Categra. Miss Sabaka Watara as well, line as well. Ando Akate, Intino, so men found now one and finalize your Nase.
I have finalized number educated part 2 not also. Number so can be against Kim Fisher Watara.
Okay, any mammy channel to me, say, wait, we don't finalize Sunday for Watara and so on.
You know what I can send your boss to as I say, Yahudu Watara Nafi, now I conclude nothing. Yatwas, how you would you have some Jumediano once again between editors at Pico here for Rojoba. No, I say, it is the legend, a goalkeeper, Frank or Dendri Ando, and Egyptian command, and Yasim Kumakro Median. So, Uroban was sharing all the messages so I die each day, I am the criminal, you have kind of more and Yasim Kumakra. Watara Mamuda was
one. I'm the Francando Samba to see.
And also, I'm the network high, quickly in the saying, how was the preparation towards the game? Now we are way so better, like in our
match, though training now was determined because first leg you lose 5-0 to King Fisher, and that week you could see the anger of the supporters says our results now in Sawakan Kumasno. It was unfair to the club, and I think that was the heaviest defeat at club. To them, no one was a club named King Fisher and same. No more pressure. So the same results, and answer we should score. Game to say the continental game. I boss. Benya more goals. I go to me. I qualify. It's not a league. Na bonne kanyum to. You be winning. Now you have the points. The points is the most important thing. You be winning. You have the points. So I think dressing room na Kochuti Akente yes selection no obo me din say me na me starting and then hona na me kohwe me senior go by nim senior kanke ni me kohwe nanim na okatem say me nyere me ho na me hye nanim nyam odi okache me ano e bo me din say me na me da me kohwe nanim me kohwe nanim na no ba say Frank you koyiro ho na hye me nanim nyam koyiro mo na hye me nanim nyam what also chance mre ni koyiro and see Yausu no money Kofiamu Akomo unso na me young until na they will come to me the way in the training I don't know I reflect say is una okoda training what bon more in the whole week the corner quiet and the kind of confidence I know more than mommy no we say ma actually no me benya akukudro bi and when we went to the field you know I started say bobo no then Yahuza Gawu name Kojopoku no mum no motomenti pa so nyamiadum the light of Senator Abebiu ne Kofiamu Akono so were able to give them match the proper match we say enti ema chances are na can face afo ni nya no clear say ebetumi I will not my position who ye because defense not to me mark to the extent say media ni panic na obetumi dia still say lay ball from opponent no e basa na me mama chi me towards where the ball is going to most of me who ball clear there are some chances bi anyame adom am save we are na ye defense no support am the boy me no in the game no na boy because sa match no na se mekaiwa Shaibu Yakubu ne Kojopoku na da yi ano mo pre-booking
yeah
we were spoiling a lot of chances. Now we were spoiling a lot of chances, and they were also spoiling a lot of chances. The game was the game went well. It was very, very splendid. The performance was great, and so at the end of the day, that was where I started saying, "Me and I may mount your goalpost, continuously."
Wow. I think that much is go let's draw. Mekai Kojopoku Mahara or Kofiamu Akomo in this area of former and Yansim Kuma Mekai game deeper and they draw. So that was your breakthrough. But so far it was just live outside Obuasi, Ashanti go back to Martin Trinidad and then to Ebushan Draft. At the time
or check Capito. Basa Brabium.
Yeah. We should drink capital na head with you.
Yeah, Mrs. Salbon.
Watch this play.
Yeah, and if you know,
born here one now change capital no. Born travel here. Until me nya opportunity no. Eko close me down to yourself or trimming so. So or bobo on the farm or speed into bobo on the farm or farm right side that corner. Me turn and me that good bonus. Me who answer capital to me kabe so miti. Ando me dasi nyamisha ando me dasi. I say we were lead, yeah. Oh seriously, we were lead because that opportunity need by late of the game. About late of the game since Sabon connector Bianca going to mean Tikano na yapon. So
yeah.
After the game, that
Good day, radio.
Actually, I know Pia didn't come more park so because they were
Good day, radio. Good day, radio.
1-1 against Olukofiamu. Who say balance will pace. Into a year go no busy capital and capital mediatina or so in this no even throw them to what you go. To buy now Dami one do I will see I will see 10 on far ball. In fact, that was the top of the day.
It was serious. That year, there. When we talk of strikers, now to me you could Kojopoku in Sinchen. That year, no.
Daddy.
And your capital Kojopoku game.
Good day, radio.
Or Hagene Pa Nyamiadom no. At the end of the day, no. That game no na a mame opportunity ma me benya go post in the mountain that season no. And it's not time
wow.
My cousin could you take and then when it comes to
yeah, wait, you never pass away. You program is part two, because and some net day and also one. Now, match with back to Ebusian Drafts. Same situation. How many matches now die for Ebusian Drafts? Saying, are you still with Ebusian Drafts? Another to say idea. Oh, if you're on attack.
Okay. Ebusian Drafts, my first season, about 22 matches. 22 matches now. My Ebusian Drafts, my first season, no, and then my second season also. My second season, about 9 matches. About 9 matches on my second season, no. I think my 4th week, and I pray my neck. Me keep shaming. Now I'm my off kakra. Nti me woto me na me backfield da me baye yi ana say so goalkeeping nso ye more of reflexes. O turn ho ni ade o hweso o yesi. Mo se na asan ka no so so second season there me ball 9 games. And then third season me ball 4 games in a sa anas we nso eba ba ya the stop league you know ni antimi ambo league na ko be bia. I think first round mu na na stop league you know. Yeah. Sisi abomu de sisi ade me on attach me ofie sisi eguso ye tutu ya no any clubs ni
teams be around there teams be around o ma starting o kata
ba cho anya me adom teams ni bia a contact me aye di nkomo but sisi ano ni na ko ye say ye lifty the ban of social gathering now must start training now.
Then we what teams my boss so person for expo with the man
contract na utifie na yeah.
Wow.
Was it teams be na ba ni mo say
about side about person who use man for now.
Okay, see there 3 clubs now minimum wedding one and many 2 of the 3 clubs no 2 coaches are coaches are 3 clubs no minimum omo Juma pen. We say only one Bako na mini coach ni Juma da.
Team by opportunity to jam my teams there.
Me person me did ni betu just see because this year no there who are him. We are near my
yeah.
When
You best play with that. You best play with that. Best play with that. We running the network into yes, part 2 best amba super goli. Part 2 best amba so na fe wa boy nkomo ye wo Ashanti good proper name. Tidu ma ti get me Ebusian Drafts. Say obi ande o ka de Ebusian Drafts o mo nde o ka.
Oh yeah, sisi ade ka na ka ho ba omotia ma so the aka no aka ka crazy o ma ya de because na doso yami adum o motia the aka no de ka crazy but sisi anu untumi nko down bika because of situation we need think me yeah yetina ase mo mama mbra mo de betie wi mbra na pan but ntumi frɛ mo ambisa o because of situation na ye wo sisi anu say esa na na say wo kra no ase unni timabima obia intino ye bompa ye say omo anso
wow it is amazing Frankando goalkeeper the legend goalie final work to a for Muche go there really don't
be let me ebisa
final work to the fans final work or what before it you or more outside or more Ghana final work to the fans.
Yeah, me final work is we did in Vedenya Miasi. So I boy na your home ban near that's what you won't because easy. No better be sorry na yari ni dinipe kopese ni ade ba nyame aboyi na ba obi a woti bia nyame adum na wama ne kunya we enti je messe me kakase ni say je be ya hwe e wo sa situation where you find yourself into it now you responding to all the precautionary measures are penny for the amity in this and secondly so I'm still into football until be our fan be even so people me fan na say what me can there na obompaya on kai me pai bomu na leverage yankopon person ni patron no the yeah
goalie you better was about goalkeeper Frank Andro or Dentini Goli cho ba coupe na mo di se cho mo goli e da fi so yeah, that's also what you mean on it. Good to attitude come all over Germany. About so yeah, that's why. Let's go say yet your what the phone na.
Hello, Chase Jojo.
Goli. Hello, Goli.
This year, so say in my career, no, nyamia ya duma, wa mama nya hokani womu. Jemejina sakunya so na madanasi madam mukafuasi because enye is a situation where I find myself few or the biane ne bakura na say me dina bi jai dia akasi wana ni bufu na me explanation na wate masi because man hwe ne ya me fat e betumi affect me career and then
go dey you know so na patu titu na wa really fufu wa really practice I mean that now
practice na wa sare dawa kakra so asa wo no ni e boost immune system no
wankaza oyire Miriam this year the situation that in wa mama diet no send e be ya make me keep me structure no in the way ya e be boa me career
wow Mrs. Anto Miriam that was big shout out them come on for such a wonderful job that's it.
Tune it in, turn it up, and rip off the knob.
Watch this play. You really want to dance? Hit it.
When it comes to radio, there is only one name. The name is God Day Radio. God Day Radio. Large and in charge. God Day Radio. NGM Kwa.
Watch this play.
Tune it in, turn it up, and rip off the knob.
Frank Odendile Ando and a teaching common Enya all over from Ghana, Minkan that apparently Aboy and Kumoye Enya some good oban was shared you maybe Nafi one like page now would comment so attach a young one so say Mahmuda Watara and all over from Croydon, London. Watara, are you there?
No, Watara, I'm saying you said me sign a try no. I'm okay.
Yes, Watara Mahmuda and Yembe no Kayembe and it was full pack but network no Yajin Yepa and Asem Kuma. We a case Musem Amalone and Fisema, the Bobuano, and the day 16th of May Yadi Bremo Mufi, Eurobaswa, Washa Nafi, would comment so attach Jumedian so not Jubi Akoso. Women the PR 11 to 12 Germany time and I say Europe time 11 to 12 Ghana time, 9 to 10 and Asem Kuma, Eurobaswa, Nafi, Washa, and the legend. Goalkeeper Frank Odendile Ando, former Ajax Academy goalkeeper, Ashanti Gold Sporting Club goalkeeper. Of course, mysterious Ebusia Blas Adike Adi Pandi goalkeeper and Yanene Etiti and Komona Edna Asem Kumano. Yes, I said Yabo Modin, then said Yanka Mahmuda Watara Ankolo, all over from Croydon, London. No, so Ibizana Temba Kumubi, Anthony and Jumediano, so Eddie Abe area and Asem Kumakra.
I'm a Saka Watara, Ewalana Sotino, my father Namoko, Yanko Gapo.
Hey, Mahmuda.
Oh man, Chase, the Gapoa himself. Chase. The Gapoa himself.
What is saying?
I don't wow him. You better there, say, a woman in Mukra, team, you better there. The year listen, Uncle Paul. A boy, a team, come here, one, they need the most important.
You need the Syria Kora, who probably Syria Kora power. Both Amanoni and my Ghana Mudia, which means Watara Mahmoud and from what I say, Kim Fraser Fan Packers here, or some say NBC Mapa, the deputy organizing committee or county, our London and Kumani Mahmuda, Watara, the Syria Kora, and the line is Mahmuda so far so good. With here, Frankando, Kumonica, Kim Fraser, I like the good about it. On your ready shop, but talking Fraser, I want to know.
Gapoa, where you made us say, my main chair with you for you now, me sure Bibiana pay from Bibia, German, Obia, or online piano. Now, your friend is Gapoa, I like the cruiser, I guess a team no, onya obeto na sebe onya the right way turning the entiment possible say or to amobi say up a percentage bi so obi benya na say 70-30 na 30% no wom but say or turn outright party any de onya na do so be yesa on the onya na do sa
that is a different human could templates you know like the new
that turn outside or yes or better am no dey hear say anytime bia no need any friend say any monyam in case of so wukura obi abeka ni say obi won one na friend alaji carry user
na so far so good Ghana league ni bi say enjoy bi say yambo woni ta for no ya hin
Gaboa dear meme dear Ghana league ni dear sabe e kamenku anka yenjabo adenta make us because obiano odini sabonku meche ni fie kwan and obiano obeka say ni mame nkwan ye ni de obia mame nkwan ni de sabe kimfaisa wa woni bebi eda kimfaisa your last position na last na one so apart from last no so sisi ano hwe de way adenisi corner Europe crampo no France for omocha omodi edim Germany for never started this week
almost starting in the 3 days almost starting last is starting next month
hello am I on
yeah
Back in time.
hello
yeah
call me babe sisi ano Ghana league na different from say Europe sisi ano adeli dey say to be trade na preparation for next year that time na timi agina but say e ka say ye to aso a e say mebre because NGB Africa and compare Europe maybe they trade man can be better
say mebre James Akoshiapie that's already last week also the Ghana Football Association for Air Court and then how much they make 6 months bonuses and salary about $185,000 on GI and then that's already sports ministry you know omu PR mi tire Kofi Asare Brako or say Akoshiapie you ungrateful only adwin
Kofi Asare Brako meti sa asem no nyame se nka no kura na pay o mami di ni ho yaw papa sabi obi abenya position na ni suban asesa iti Akoshiapie amfoye broni e pese ne nkese se de no yo abrofo ni bebre omo ba Ghana mo na so mo ba na so mo ko na so mo sika ni bikema omo ko kwota ejema omo no way Akoshiapie every month we owe $5,000 and the map the old your friend is a coaches association $5,000 oh the mom say or the bomb 90 sasi no on your coach bia ya pamono no sa all players in fa na musa kwenye skanu ni sika kema say the manu wo PR wa ba bonti no kase wow sabi everyone say Kofi Asare wo on me yenim baby na wo da mobile say na friend say Peace FM 4 sports presenter Dan Kokuyabua okogu na nimu Siana yes onu so wan hwe enim guase na beche obi a nipa no oye bibini na kabroni enko betima ka chese omu ntwanika omu fa ni sika ma no na chese bibia ntimi asomdwe ntimi nko onu so obo amanfo ntimi mba se waye djuma wie afa na be ka se friend se contract ni na is contract nice na contract nice nti ompa chese president Kwesi Ntachi so na bi contract no oye mistake ana wow FAW no wan say ya enim guase abeto no ebecha bibia
Ngwasi abeto no ebecha bibia mamuda ye da se unyambre edi mai odo se mo Ramadan musu tumi nyambre edi mai ufana west to the people of Obuasi Germany Europe bibia wo bia ufana west
okay where there are some kakra mechanics say friends say you know Ghana for bia hwe no so you stay at home no there because you see the hu saman for ejuma start take kakra enyina ewiase na obi ehia mpai bo ye mbọ mpai ma obi a na mpai na abo se watamfo adofo obi mbọ mpai ma obi bia na Frankando so akasa ma meni agi ye chia no so boasefo nyina echi obi bia because we are proud of ourselves because baby free aba be do an mo ne dey as I said asidama nyankopɔ na inshallah what can face the league is not going to South Africa without him for is not going. League it's not going to come in. We are going to cancel the league. Next year, watch us. We are coming like a wounded lion. Thank you very much.
Let us see Mabuda Watara.
South Africa with that freezer is no growing. Atara Mamuda, Oliver from Claude London, also Nano Sam Atujano. I have time to me once again within the draft. Apiku Hayford, you can call me for one. I wouldn't have any problem with you. We have time. If you say any Amaran Sama, Mabano, or I can't do it, and I'm the Bremo. Coming on, not the Sunday, so yes, Swiss, oh, you may be into Europe time, 11 to 12, and Ghana time, so 9 to 10. But all the handles, which are Facebook Live, YouTube Live, Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, and Twitter. Oh, you know, over to me, I catch up. Oh, go there with your commanding Ghana, so now also see go there with you, so over to me, Atienka, and then I remember my boy, and the Jumadian, so go there, so far, so good, as a Mr.
Oh, Asema walk a cradium say simple way. Rasbobo, Afrobeat, GH Radio, Wama thumbs up. So they was say, good morning, good day radio. Ubo Jumapa Gapoha, or Zaragoza, Spain, Afrobeat, GH Radio, also born Homadimpa. And His Holiness Menakutin also say, I welcome myself to one of the best radio stations around the world, online radio stations. Gode Radio, keep doing what you do best. I welcome myself to one of the best radio online radio stations. Gode Radio, keep doing what you do best. And I'm also online, so Sansona brew the episode was self to cry. This is come on my on and off on bar, no more on bar, do the data no, or so I was or feeling a crabby or hair no, sir. One kakra umutumi comments ba so na makaya ma wono ntino am say we ni bibia be ka bi modia na bibia da yekoso ya ni pitiri na wotwe se na be san hia na fe e dia kan se wo
bibia be chat on sports in the area na some be course wo my Ghana magode I don't understand akwabi koye video say coronavirus bia ni bibia na Ghana man penini da Ghana for G5 for people want to some from Thomas Obian ya watching go dey in sector project me ko
eno so ma mensan ma ya adofo bi shout out to her George Brew Samba line so John Bula Michael Obin ejina so the den and Nana Poku you watching us live. Good morning Nana Poku. Isaac Amwa so good morning. Doctors are no wobons. Good morning. Sansona. You say good morning. They go afternoon. So say grab to 12 about. Good afternoon. Dati kwesi dati. So jina for the den. Doris Boaten Obapa Sandra. You watching us. Nana Aba Edua Kuwa Dino Mabodi Yedia Duncan. And Hamson Richard as a Kobe Kobe Kunasan Pa Koju and Gladys Kuma Munina Mobala so Yaminshiramo share Moshe any more Musumu date and more time. May God bless you. Now for keep any day entire Gode Radio all the time. Tino Gapo Yentuasa, how was it? I brand to be
Otega so Basubina as body so and so Ebaso Rata so Ebaso Amuna so big shout out and Franco Momo Benedict Amuna Baswa immediately also come.
What's yo and now what can I say a brand to be a video say coronavirus be any baby animal 5G. Na okay. No. Edion. Me huni pa bi enti ase won nsem we mu. Yare a aba se ekuma manfo bebre. E na ase so enye ono nko anso na ye nipa wakasa asem no. Akuadanko. Akuadanko so kan.
Oju wa won tiase na. O fe sare tire mu se wa obenya sa video no bi bonso be sendira mo bibia no. O so kwa ye be chi. What kind of life? What kind of civil cafe my phone no.
Akuadanko so kan we dey omo nko che akuadanko so say corona bi ani bia. I will be a no.
I mean, innocent person, you know, what do matter a call most good. What you know, I want to say.
I'm going to check your don't go so.
A point in the motion, you're playing for risk. I want to mention, will be able to be in the future. I mean, what is the sense?
Oh, God.
May God help us. Good day. Hana, I probably promote and the Jimmy BC. Macramo.
Good day, radio.
Gapoha, yeah, that's it.
Good day, radio.
Professor Obunya, Amaneswa, Kotubene, Precasene, Kakadrone, Susan,
I think good day, okay, Macramo. Bye bye.
That's a never essential. Why?
Exactly.
Right.
Going back in time on the time machine. This is a flashback.
Good day, radio. 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 Eja wom.
Going back in time on the time machine. This is a flashback.
Okay, abusafo answer na yebekọ no memfa nkrayi so entwam anyumrei efre nonso ekọ ye ndwumadie ayato den motivational hour ebeba ye sabeka ye new guest bi ewa ha enti omba obehu mpesa medidin ne betudwa enti yakopon ya domo a montwen live ewo go David anyumrei nonso ekro to bia nye krado. Number 7 o'clock on the dot. Make a date and never be late.
Going back in time on the time machine. This is a flashback.